I ain't gonna lie, your woman gonna look at you a little funny if every time another man has to walk into the home and fix a problem that you can't. I'm gonna say that again for you. Your woman is gonna look at you funny every time another man comes into your house and fixes something that you can't. That big strong guy that could probably throw you across the damn room, knock you out, run off with your woman. Think about these things, champ. Think about these things. Yeah, we hitting hard, we going deep because you need to be able to use that screw gun. I need you to see y'all at least trying to use these hammers and these nails. Yo, it's 2025, man, and we losing our youth because y'all minds are so mushed and so into these phones and so into these games and so into this social media and so into these BBLs that y'all can't even take care of a property, take care of a woman, take care of your family. It's getting deep. Y'all sleep. And I need y'all to wake up. My young men, I need y'all to wake up. I need y'all to use that same phone and search some YouTube videos up and look how to screw a nail. Look how to use a hammer. Fix the drain. You know what I'm saying? Replace a valve. Fix the sink. Hey, I need y'all to know how to install a fan, a ceiling fan. You dig? Replace a light fixture. I need y'all to do something. To know how to do something. You ain't got to know how to do everything. But y'all got to know how to do something. And it's not even just about fixing stuff up in your house. How about learning skills for profit? Right? How about maybe you wouldn't be broke if you learn how to install a water heater and then you could apply that knowledge to getting a job or to going out and getting your own clients, right? How about learning how to do plumbing in general? Replace water pipes, replace valves, getting down in there, we losing each other. This generation is losing it. Your minds is mush. You know what I'm saying? We should know how to hang up drywall. We should know how to use screws. We should not be ignorant to what painting is. Something simple as painting. I see women who paint more than men nowadays. Women enjoy painting nowadays when usually men would paint the house, fix the house. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't nothing wrong with the woman helping us out. You feel me? But I need my men to take initiative. I need the men to take initiative. And when your wife be like, oh honey, can you paint the house or can you mow the lawn? I need y'all to stop sucking y'all teeth and acting like women. I need y'all to get up and take care of the home. I need y'all to get up and be a man. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to actually take these efforts and these steps into manhood. Yes, that does include being a handyman because a lot of men out here, man, just don't even know how things work. Don't know how things work at all. And it's sad. Because then when your woman gets stuck and frustrated and she can't fix it, oh, you off at work, oh, you don't got time to do this and do that, oh, you off at work, all right, so call the maintenance man. She gonna call the maintenance man. The maintenance man gonna come over. There's some maintenance men still out there. You feel me? Maintenance man, he big dog. He come over. You better hope she gets something old and rusty. You better hope homeboy like 70, 60, 70, beat up a little bit. He gonna get the job done, but he ain't gonna try to put meat down on your lady. But she get a young gun. You cooked. If she get a young gun up there, little Hispanic poppy come up in there, about 30, about 29, 30, fit, well groomed, yeah, cook. Your lady gonna have more than just the pipes fixed when you get home, champ. Your lady gonna have more than just the holes patched. Promise you that, man. Stop. Y'all gotta stop this, man. Y'all gotta stop this. I just want y'all to be better and actually look at the bigger picture. Don't go out here chasing women if you can't provide for them. Learn some skills to be a husband. Learn some skills to actually provide for your family if that's what you want to do. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't even know how to mop a floor. Wash the dishes. Cook. Yeah, I said cook. What are we talking about? Learn skills, bro. Mow the lawn, mop, learn how to cook, pick up that screw gun, learn how to fix some stuff, learn how to change a tire. You feel me? Learn how to put the spare on. Learn how to maybe slip on some brake pads. Like I said, you ain't gotta learn how to do everything, but learn how to do something. Learn how to at least do. You gotta learn the basics of everything. Let me say that. You gotta learn the basics of everything. Like when it comes to the car, you gotta learn the basics of the car. The basics of the car is swapping out that spare. That's the basics of the car. You're swapping out the spare tire. Hey, maybe you could put some antifreeze in that joint. You know what I'm saying? You know how to lift him up. Maybe you know a brake pad. You know how to put a brake pad on. Brake pads ain't too hard. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't, you feel me? Like, hey man, when you come into the house, something get clogged up. Maybe you need to learn how to declog that drain. Maybe you need to learn how to put some screws in the wall, hang up a picture, fix the bed frame. You know what I'm saying? Fix the door hinge. Get a nice leverage on it. You know what I'm saying? Learn how to take the doors off the refrigerator so you can get the refrigerator in the house and put the doors back on. You dig what I'm saying? Learn how to mow the lawn and properly mow the lawn, not mow it when it's wet. You feel me? Man, I'm hoping y'all hearing me, bro. I'm hoping y'all hearing me, bro. The women need us. Women need us. Y'all acting like children. Y'all acting like women yourselves. Y'all should want to take care of things. Y'all should want to get up and be men. Try it. It might help. Brain cycle.